Happy Friday Vintage!
Good morning, Dolphins. How are you?
It's 2021. We are so excited to see you. Welcome back.
Yes, welcome back. I got to see many of you in your classes this week doing all that good work with your teachers. It was nice to see you.
We're so proud that you guys have come back strong and you are energetic and you are spirited and you are ready to go. We are glad that it's 2021. How about you?
I'm very glad.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
it's a good thing. It's a really
Yep.
good thing. Well, let's talk about December 2020 and who some of our highest attendance winner classes were, and then let's talk about who last week's were.
Okay, so last month in December, we had our December attendance winners for kindergarten and first grade. We have for Kinder 1, Miss Tobin took over again with 99.81% attendance. For second and third grade with 100% attendance for the whole month, Mrs. Cobalt, second graders. Great job, second grade. Great job. And then in fourth and fifth grade, we have one of our new teachers, Mrs. Spinka, with 99.26% attendance. Congratulations. So you three classes will be joining me and Mr. Foldberry at the end of the month on the 28th for a special attendance incentive. Great job.
Awesome job. And you know what, Miss Mattis, before you tell us about last week's attendance, I didn't let you tell your signature jokes.
I know, and I've actually added to my toolbox. So now I have some jokes and a random fact of the week. So I'm going to start with my new random fact of the week. This one's a good one, very appropriate. On average, there are 333 pieces of toilet paper on one roll. Good to know.
Seems like an appropriate thing to know
for what
this
we're going
year.
through. Yep. All right, and my jokes. I've got some new jokes for you. What is a snake's favorite subject? History. Ba-dum-bum. Next, what gets wetter the more it dries? A towel.
Oh.
Nice. And last but not least, how do mountains stay warm in the winter? Snow caps.
You wear a nice little snow cap to keep your mountaintop warm, huh?
Yep, absolutely.
All right. How about last week's attendance?
Okay, so we'll finish up attendance with last week, and we have some new winners, so pay attention, boys and girls. Last week, that first week we were back from break, in kindergarten and first grade, Mrs. Charleston's first grade class had 100% attendance. And I will tell you, all three winners, they all had 100% attendance all week last week, so great job.
Nice job, especially first week coming back from a break.
Absolutely. In second and third grade, Mrs. McCant's third grade with 100%, yay! And last but not least, we have a fifth grade class winner for last week, Mrs. Davis's fifth grade class with 100%. Great job.
Wow. All right. So you guys have come back strong, and in fact, your teachers have been offering up lots and lots of splash tickets. So in kindergarten, the teachers would like to honor Dominic E. in Miss Tobin's class for always trying his hardest when participating on Zoom. Nice work, Dominic. Also, Maya B. in Miss Rodriguez's class for always being respectful. Nice job.
Wonderful. In first grade, we have in Mrs. Moreno's class, Lucas W. for being responsible, and also in Mrs. Moreno's class, Linda M. for being responsible. Great job, first grade.
Well, we had a double Moreno. We're going to have a double Lee. In second grade, Miss Lee would like to honor Emily C. for being helpful, and also Savannah S. for being helpful. Great job, ladies.
Alrighty, in third grade, in Miss Swan's class, Xavier E. for being responsible, and also Callie C. for participating. Great job.
Was that two Swan students?
Yes. We're not going to do it in fourth grade.
Okay, in fourth grade, it's not quite a repeat, but we do have Miss Reinders wanting to honor Prince J. for being a superstar in math, and then Miss Reynolds and Miss Spinka are honoring Ellie O. for trying your best always and persevering with your math skills. Nice work.
Great job, fourth grade. And in fifth grade, we have in Mrs. Davis's class, Edgar V. for coming to every Zoom meeting. Great job, Edgar. And Jada V. in Mrs. Merrill's class for being responsible.
Way to go. We are very, very proud of all of you, and we want those splash tickets to keep coming. So keep them coming, teachers. And you guys keep being safe, respectful, and responsible, and they will keep coming your way.
Okay, Mr. Folkberry, we have a lot of announcements. So boys and girls, it's very important right now. We've got a lot of stuff going on the rest of the month.
All right, so what is everyone's favorite announcement? This weekend is a 3-day weekend. That's obviously everybody's favorite. But then we come back next week and we have a pickup and drop-off day on Wednesday the 20th. In fact, everybody's getting something that day. Every student at Vintage has something to pick up that day.
Absolutely. So be sure to come next Wednesday. We can't wait to see you. Next Friday is our 100th day of school. So we've been in school 100 days.
That's crazy. I know that some grade levels celebrate that more than others, but how cool is it that we have been in school for 100 days out of our 180-day school year by next Friday? Additionally, next Friday is when progress reports get sent home. So if you guys just keep doing your best effort and learning as much as you can possibly learn, you will see some great progress report results get sent home on Friday of next week.
Wonderful.
We come back on Monday the 25th, and we are in something we call Kindness Week. This is why everyone's going to have something to pick up in the pickup on Wednesday the 20th, because we're going to be celebrating Kindness Week with some fun activities. There'll be more to come, but do you want to preview real quick? What are 1 or 2 things that they're going to be getting that day?
I don't want to say too much,
Oh.
but everyone is going to get an envelope with some special things and for activities that you can do with your teachers and your classes. But I think there will be some things that everyone will have to decorate in some way or form.
All right. Well,
so that's a preview.
Mrs. Mattis is full of mystery today, but suffice to say, we look forward to celebrating everybody's kindness and being part of the Kindness Challenge between the 25th and the 29th at the end of this month. That Thursday is what Mrs. Mattis already mentioned is going to be the Thursday the 28th. You're going to be hearing something special from us if you are in Miss Tobin's, Miss Cobold's, or Mrs. Spinka's classes. We're going to do something cool with you on Thursday the 28th. And finally, on Friday the 29th, when we are next here with you on YouTube, I have to ask Mrs. Mattis, are you a Slytherin or a Gryffindor?
I think I'm a Gryffindor.
Ooh.
What does that mean, though?
Oh, see, we like Gryffindors, Slytherins, Hufflepuffs, and Ravenclaws because, you guessed it,
it's Harry Potter Day.
It's Harry Potter Day. So our 4th, 5th grade student leadership has decided that it is Harry Potter Day 2 weeks from today. Get your wands ready, get your costumes ready, and we will be spelling our way through Harry Potter Day at the end of this month, Friday the 29th. We look forward to seeing you back here on YouTube then, and have a wonderful 3-day weekend.
Bye, Dolphins. See you later.
Bye, guys. See you later.